Hi, welcome to Marg ERP Solutions. Today we will tell you about how to create stock issue in Marg software. So, let's start the video. Firstly, go to Transaction option, then go to Stock issue option, then go to New option. A stock issue window will appear. In Date, the user can mention the date as per the requirement. A Ledgers window will appear. The user will select the ledger as per the requirement. In Tax option, the user will select Yes if needs to show tax, otherwise keep it as No. Now, the user will press Enter to select the item. An Item window will appear. The user will select the item as per the requirement and press Enter on it. In Quantity, the user will mention the quantity as per the requirement. In Rate, the user will mention the rate as per the requirement. Now the user will press Ctrl W key and click on Save to save the changes. After following the above steps, the user can create stock issue in Marg software. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions. Check out our other videos on the channel and stay connected by following us on social media. Don't miss out on future updates. Hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.